At first, in a saucepan, we will put our lentils raw, the main ingredient. Then we add some salt and a couple of tablespoons of oil, or you can put it by eye. It doesn't matter. After that, we include 4 unpeeled garlic, a half of an onion in a single piece, and 3 bay leaves. Then we include a couple of tablespoons of fried tomato, or add it by eye. And at the end, we add 1 chopped potato. In addition, I usually add chorizo, blood sausage, and bacon, so that the lentils have more flavor. All this is covered with water. It cooks at level 9 on the induction cooker until it starts to cook. Then we reduce it to level 6 in the induction cooker for 14 minutes. After 40 minutes, we remove the onion, the garlic, and the bay leaf. And it's ready to eat.